Hello again. I'm back again with these two little mini albums. I'm sorry, junk journals. I noticed a lot of people are using those yellow manila folders, and they're making well, this one I have paint on it, but they're making these cute junk journals. So I wanted to give it a go, and I made these two. Actually, there's three. I don't know where the other one's at, but I am enjoying them. And so these two, I'm putting them in my Etsy store. They're completed, and I just wanted to share real quick. I should turn it this way, huh? So anyways, I'm going to show you real quick. Move this to the side. Show you the back. And the paper, I got it from Tuesday Morning. I think the brand is, let's see, I got it right there. Let's see. Okay, there are these two paper packs. If anybody's interested in knowing the line, I got these at Tuesday Morning, $2.99, and then these really pretty papers. Okay, move those out of the way. Let me start showing you. I went ahead and added this button as the closure, and just added some ribbon. Now let's go in. My frame right here, and then here I have this tag. And all these are downloads from either Pinterest or I googled them. Well, this one is from a digital kit that I purchased from Marion Smith, but all the other ones are from Pinterest. And this little flap opens. I use this little image to just create a pocket for these. And then I put some okay, I can't remember. I put some of this baking paper that I had put on the bottom when I dyed my paper, my copy paper, and I like the way it came out, so I put the piece in here. And I have this piece here, Pinterest, it's from the digital kit. A little piece from Michael's $1.50 bin. They're these thingies. Okay. Got a piece of what is this? Not cardstock. It's one of those like flash cards, but it was just plain card, and I just dyed them in coffee and cut it. And then tore it, made the tour like the way it looks tore, and then just added it for a pocket. This is from the digital kit. And these, actually all of these elements are from the digital kit. And then just a plain little tag. Again, I got a recipe card. A little journaling card. This came from a little journaling card, little booklet that I got at Michael's. I think it's Recollections, if I'm not mistaken. And a small little doily with a piece of paper, designer paper, and one of those little tags. And this just opens. And I have a couple of pieces there from the digital kit. This pocket's made out of book pages. Just stuck that in there. And then I added this piece here, created a tag to put this tag in there. Also from the digital kit. Download from Pinterest. Tag. Just put this little piece here. Another journaling tag. These notes. were very, very fun to make and very easy to make. I love them. I think I want to make one, but with the bigger manila folder. I want to make a bigger one. So as soon as I take myself to the store, and don't forget, I want to get some because I really love this. They're so quick and easy, and they're very, 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 very fun. And then, you know, you can just toss them in your purse, wherever you go, easy to carry. I just added another little pocket here, and then you have the pocket here to fit more goodies in there. So that's it for this one. Oh, and then I also put these little charms. And then we have this one. Also closure with a button. And this one has a little, what do you call those? God, Patty. I need to get back into gear with this. A piece of trim there to cover, and actually I did the same thing on this one, just to cover where I made the holes for the button. Another piece here. Show my frame. One of these little cards. I love this paper. Beautiful. Another little tuck there. Some more of this paper. A little piece there. This one I'm not sure where it came from, but I had it there in my stash, so I just popped it in there. This one. Opens. Another tag there. Another piece there. Tag. Another pocket here for the made out of book pages. This little piece here. Another piece from the $1.50 bin. This one I added this trim because I wanted to seal the stitching. But then I left it on the other one, so I don't know. I'm a weirdo. Again, another tuck here. Actually, I need to change this one. Another tag. Even though they're tiny, they got a lot of space for journaling. So I really like these. I really did. Piece there. Oh. And then the pocket on the back. Just a piece of coffee dyed paper that I had extra. And I didn't put a pocket on this one. But these are my two little junk journals that I created. And I'm very happy. I'm going to try to make some more because I really, really, really loved it. I had also created another one that has been sitting there for like ever. I'll show it to you real quick. This baby. This was just a piece of cardboard. And I had it mixed media and I liked it, and now I don't like it, so I ended up changing the whole thing on the outside, and this is what I did to it. I don't know, I'm a weirdo. I like one thing and then I change it. But anyways, it's got a pocket there, a little tag there, another piece there, another piece here. Piece there. These are, I think, from Recollections at Michael's. Little picture mat there. But I like the inside. I just didn't like the cover for some reason at the end. So I gave it a new look. And I'm happy. But this is my little junk journal that I had created. Just wanted to share this one with you as well. This is from a picture from a book. What book? I don't remember, but I like the picture. Thought that was pretty. But anyways, these are my junk journals. I hope you guys enjoyed them as much as I did making them. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to leave any comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.